Okay, so this boy comes here digging up all the street. He just dig a hole for nothing. Not joking, you dig the hole, putting it back in for freaking nothing. I'm upset, my mom's upset. House is not gonna smell like this. The whole street's blocked off. Oh yeah. Advertisement. Get it? Okay. So, the whole street is like this. Just holes everywhere. Giant piles of dirt everywhere. These douchebags are everywhere. You got these holes over here.
I hate this.
We got another hole right here. They filled in. They're everywhere, right?
Like everyone's yard?
Yeah.
In our driveway, then even.
And so this hole's filled in, which made a mess everywhere. There's a giant house over there. The street's closed. Today is not our day. So yeah. This is probably my only daily vlog I would ever do. So yeah, bye.